What's up guys, check out these sunglasses. They have a built-in camera in them right in the center, and they have a Bluetooth audio as well in case you want to hear something. Like these are the headphone jacks that go into your ears like normal old style earbuds, and they have the camera. The main reason I bought them is not to listen to audio. I'm not really interested in that. The main reason I bought them is this camera in the center. I needed something to shoot first person videos, and this is a 1080p camera in the center of these glasses. So my idea is to record something in the first person, and I hope that it is a good enough quality for me to use these sunglasses. The audio is there, Bluetooth, but I'm not really interested in that. On the feature side, you can see we have MP3 camera and video recorder, HD camera, and they are sunglasses as well. In the use cases, if you have a look at it, they provide different styles, like you are riding in motorbike, riding a horse, uh, climbing, and what's this called? That's weird. I forgot about the name of this one. Anyway, so skating, but that's isn't skating on ice skating? Maybe this is water skating. Not sure. Let me know what the name of this sport is in the comments, please. Anyway, so otherwise they are normal sunglasses. So let's open them up. Again, there are many expensive sunglasses available, but I wanted something cheap, something that I can afford. That's why these sunglasses. In case you're wondering why aren't you buying something more expensive, the answer is just affordability. So I hope that these work for me. All right. Okay, we have the earbuds, the old hand-free style earbuds. We have the pouch, documentation. What else? All right, nothing else. So we have the pouch. We have this USB to audio jack. I think this would be used for power to charge the device. These earbuds will go into the glasses and then inside your ears so that you can listen them. We have documentation which I will read in a bit, and we have this card reader because you insert an SD card inside these sunglasses so that they can record video. Let's come to our pouch. We have a fabric to clean the sunglasses, and pouch is quite comfortable. Like it is not flexible, so it will protect your sunglasses inside it. Like it's not that flexible, so if there is slight weight on it, it will not bend and it will protect your sunglasses. So good to have this pouch. These are our sunglasses. Right in front you can see that we have the camera. It says full HD camera here. This is, I think, a sticker, and probably it can be removed, so I will probably remove it. And otherwise you can see that they're normal sunglasses. We have some dots here as well. Not sure what are these for, or maybe they are just for show, but there are some 3 dots here. And if you look at the left arm of the sunglasses, we have this port. It says here it will be used for first earbud, like hand-free, inserting this headphone jack port, or it can also be used to connect it with a computer or power. So we'll see if it is connected to the computer with this one, but I think charging is from this one. Then we have the power micro SD card port right here. This is the SD card port, and there is a mic port as well here. It says there is a mic, this one right here, this. And then we have indicator light here, reset button here, and on top we have some buttons. Let's see, we have the previous button, Bluetooth button, then we have the next button, and then we have the video control button. And I think this is also the power on off button. On this side we don't have anything other than one headphone jack port, which you will insert these to listen inside your ears, and nothing else. It's quite bulky on the sides, not as smart as you would expect the latest smart glasses, but quite bulky. As long as it helps me get the job done, I don't mind. It's not actually that heavy, even though it feels like these sides are really bulky, but when you put it on a hand and feel it, it's not that heavy from a normal sunglasses. It is easily bearable. Alright, so let me try to turn it on. There is no SD card. See, it started blinking, but I think it will turn itself off because there is no SD card in here. And let's see if this is the power jack. Let me insert. Okay, I have this power bank, and then let's insert it here. Oh, anything? Okay, there you are. See, it's giving the charging indicator that it is charging. If you long press this again, I think it will turn itself off or on. So this is on and off, and this is also for video recording. This is for media playback, and when you want to connect with the Bluetooth, you will press this button and it will turn its Bluetooth on. Then you can pair it. If we bring out these earbuds, these ones, and if I remove it, one will go here, the other will go here. This is how you will listen to your audio. So using these, you will there will be no leakage as well of audio. So in the budget, I think it's really good thing, quite cheap as per its specs, and quite a good thing. You will also use this cable to connect it with your computer, so keeping that in mind. And once you can also remove the SD card from it. It does not come with an SD card, you have to buy it separately. So once you remove the SD card from here, then you can use the provided SD card reader to read it in your computer. Let me insert let me insert the SD card and let's record something. Alright, I have this SD card. Let's try to insert it. So in case you are wondering which side is the right one, this one. You have to insert it like this. Like this. There you go. Let's turn it on now, and hopefully it will not turn itself off this time. Alright, it's ready. As per the documentation, how do I take a picture? So taking picture is here. As per this one, we have short, press the power button once, the blue light flashes. Wants to complete a photo, so just short press, I guess. Let me see. Okay, picture was taken. I think that's how you take the picture. Press it, leave it, picture is taken. Now for the video, it says in standby mode, long press the power button for about 3 seconds. Light flashes 3 times and then slowly flashes to start recording. So let's 3 seconds. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Nothing happened. Okay. It should flash slowly to let me know that recording has started. The documentation is correct. The documentation is correct. It says flashes 3 times and then slowly flashes to start the recording. Short press the power button to stop the recording. If I short press it, 1, 2, 3, still picture taken. 1, 2, 3. This should be a video recording. Okay, now it is recording video. This is the indication. So this is the video recording, and they say short press it and it will stop. Stopped. Okay, we have the pictures, we have the video. Now watch. Let's try the audio now. Let me insert the audio. Earbuds. I think do they have? Will these glasses work without these earbuds? Let's find out. Let's turn on Bluetooth first. Usually it is long press for everything, so long press it. Did anything happen? Let's see how to do the Bluetooth. Where is Bluetooth? Bluetooth. Okay, there are controls as well. Bluetooth pairing for about 5 seconds. Something like that. Bluetooth is in pairing state. Okay, 5 seconds. Then some light should turn green. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's ready. In pairing mode, let me catch my mobile device. Okay, pair a new device. What's the name? MS07B. MS, yeah, there it is. Let's pair it. Now let's see if it changes color or something after pairing. Done. Pairing is successful. Now the indicator has changed. Let me play some music. Alright, it seems that without these earplugs it is not working because I can't listen to anything. Sound is playing but I can't listen it, so let's plug it. Okay, so these are necessary. There are no built-in speakers. Let me give you the sound test. Sound seems to be good. Overall, my impressions are that the video quality is really bad. I mean, it's not usable, at least not in 2024. Maybe if it was 5 years ago, maybe we would have accepted it, but not in 2024. It's pixelated, it's shaky. I mean, there is no stabilization whatsoever. So when you're walking or doing anything, there is a lot of shake. and that shake makes it almost impossible to watch this video. And even in daylight, when you see the video, it looks like there are clouds on the sky even when they are not. So the light itself is less than what I saw with my own eyes. So that's another problem. So imagine the scenario like you're driving a bike, there is a lot of shake, and this does not handle shake, so the video that will come out of it uh, will be not usable at all. And another thing that I noted is that it sometimes corrupts the videos. Like uh, I made four or five videos, and one or two of them, when I tried to copy them to my computer, they were corrupted. So I don't think I would recommend these glasses to anyone, to be honest. So if you're watching this video and you are trying to decide whether to buy these glasses or not, I would recommend that look for something else. Don't buy these glasses because they are bad. They are not good at all. I bought them for my own purpose, but I will not be able to use them because they're that bad. All right, these are the sunglasses with a 1080p camera right in the middle of them, with audio playback, with playback controls, Bluetooth connection, micro SD card support, mic, uh, earplugs to avoid sound leakage, and you should be able to find them around $50 on Amazon and other similar stores. Let me know what you think. And if you know something around $50 that is a good option, a good alternative to these, do let me know in the comments so that I can review that as well, bring on my channel, or probably buy for myself as well. So let me know what you think. Take great care of yourself. Bye.